not really a full bring back, but we're going to talk about it real quick because we saw it earlier. My day one bestie, Scott Hind, was with us. And he brings us a lot of great products to keep our homes nice and clean. But this is like desert island. This is GP66, which stands for Grecian Power since 1966. This is literally all that this company does. It's a set of 2 super-sized green miracle cleaner and degreaser. If purchased separately, would be $44, just about 2 pennies shy. You're getting it home for $24.98. So we're not mad at that. It's a $5 easy pay. This is your entire home, inside, outside, automobile and beyond, on your grill, on your ledges right there, because this is this powerful degreaser. If you were with us earlier, you might have seen Scott Hind do some really powerful demonstrations. But when I say all over, I'm talking it's cleaning most stains from your leather. You have those leather white kicks that are always going to get dirty. This will take all of that off. This is inside your ovens, which are so greasy and so difficult, inside of your grills as well, which don't get that deep clean. Just give it a nice rinse with a potable water. Oh, I didn't even think about putting it on my clothing. Oh, I have to talk to Scott about that, because when you get a grease stain, it's impossible to get that out, except unless you have GP66. In your kitchens, yes. On your stove tops, you know, we were talking about how when we cook, let's say you're cooking a salmon, those odor particles, they don't just go up into the vents, they really go everywhere. And I was saying earlier how in my apartment, it's an open area. Like, it's a big space, but it's an open area. So when I cook, I feel like the odors attach to things like my cabinets, and they do. And in one of the most powerful demonstrations that Scott did earlier was wiping down a cabinet, a wooden cabinet with GP66 that looked completely fine to the naked eye. But once GP66 got to work, there was so much dirt and grime and gross, and that's what's holding in those odors. He also gave us the hot tip to spray your rims with this and then go through that drive-through, and you're gonna have the most beautiful, shiny, sparkling rims. $24.98, you're getting 2 of them when it should be $44. That's a $5 easy pay. It's V31232. All right, so we had some very popular food items in our show, including